anytime you have to initiate the takedown of any kind of an infringed work. Okay, this can be a music video, this can be a general use of trademark as well, not just copyright. It can be usage of any kind of image, for example celebrity images. So certain celebrities only give rights to certain channels for publication of their photos, right? So, but however, a lot of channels copy these images and they post it on their websites as if it is their own publication. So basically, you have to send them a notice of taking down. Taking down usually means taking it off the internet or taking it off the website. So basically, this is a 2-page notice. It is very simple. It is the simplest that you will be drafting. It consists of your letterhead. This letterhead can be of a lawyer. This letterhead can be of the owner of the copyrighted work. Okay, then date, method of delivery. Method of delivery will include how you are delivering it, by way of post, by way of courier service. In the US, it is mostly UPS or it is mostly the national mail. Okay, then here you will write the service provider, provider designated address. Now, who is the service provider? The service provider will be the platform which is used for creating the website. So, for example, if I have created a website saying priyankasanarkar.com, but who is the service provider? The service provider is the intermediary that I have used to create my website. So here you will write the service provider's designated access address, whether it is Wix, whether it is GoDaddy. GoDaddy is the most popular website, most popular service provider, which is used in the US. And then you will write who is the designated agent. So the designated agent will be Priyanka Sinarkar. Okay, so which is the website. The subject will be request for notice of copyright infringement. Okay, and here you will just start writing dear designated agent. The designated agent is Priyanka Sinarkar because that is the website which has published unauthorized work. And here you can just state that you are writing on behalf of the copyright owner. You can state what is your capacity, in the capacity of a lawyer, in the capacity of paralegal, whatever that is, and then provide owner, or who is the owner or the publisher, the description of the copyrighted material, and just state that we hereby provide notice of copyright infringement pursuant to the terms of the DMCA Act. Okay, that's it. So you can just copy this. Actually, you can copy this, reword it in your own words, and use this as it is. The copyright owner is the owner of the copyright of the following works. So here you will mention a list of all the you will mention the list of all the work that has been infringed. Okay, you will also mention the registration number. You will most likely find the registration number in the copyright registry, or you can take it from your client. It has come to the copyright owner's attention that your service located at this particular URL displays or provides access to the material that infringes the copyright owner's copyright in the works. The following is a list of infringing material. So here you will make a list of which material has been infringed. And we have a good faith belief that the use of works described in this letter is not authorized by the copyright owner. So basically, how is a work authorized by a copyright owner? By means of a copyright agreement, a copyright license. So since there is no execution of such license, there are no permissions given out, obviously it is not authorized. And therefore, the information in this notification is accurate. So basically, we swear under the penalty of perjury. This is very important. Perjury is taken very seriously in the US. So you always have to swear under the penalty of perjury that we are authorized to act on behalf of the copyright owner with respect to the subject matter in this letter. So let us consider that I am the owner of any copyrighted work. I can give my authority, or I can authorize anyone. I can authorize my mother, I can authorize my sister to act on behalf of me, as long as I am giving them let us say an express authorization. Anyone can act on my behalf. It need not be a lawyer all the time. Okay, so basically, yes, a paralegal can be authorized, a non-paralegal, anyone can be authorized to act on your behalf. Okay, But when it comes to representation in the court of law, at that time the authorization has to be tested with the lawyer only. So therefore we request that you remove or disable access to the materials as set forth in section whatever of the act. This act is the DMCA act, okay, pursuant to your terms of use copyright policy code of conduct. Please contact the undersigned no later than 1 week. Now, this 1 week is something that we have stated. So, if you feel that this person may take a longer time, or if you want a speedy redressal, you can also ask them to revert to you in no later than 48 hours. Okay, so there is no cap on this for this time. From the date of this letter to confirm that the infringing materials have been removed, and you can also ask them to send an evidence that this material has been removed. The undersigned may be contacted at this particular address. Now, here you are asking them to take down a specific material. This is the basic template. However, you can include multiple components in it. You can also write that if you do not take down this material, what will be the implications? Okay. Most of the times, the implications are that we will be compelled to institute legal proceedings under the relevant civil or criminal federal law of United States in the relevant court of law. So that is it. This is the DMCA notice. So you don't have to write a lot. You just have to write what are the copyrights, what the registration number and the type of work that is registered with the owner, and which copyright has been infringed, and you just ask them to take down. So this is only for the work available on the internet.